Oh, yeah, I have, yeah. I just...
It's either 9 or the whole line.
Okay.
They're either batting 9 or everybody on the team.
Okay. Well, we got it straightened out.
Okay.
That's what.
Come on, Maggie.
Only missed one kid. There'll be more.
Hey, here we go, ladies.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No.
It's still. Oh, they would. Well, when we left our hotel, there was like 8 of them having breakfast together.
No, that's
I figured it was
Good job, Alex. Way to have a good look at it.
Yeah, we actually had this kind of 2 or 3 years.
Come on, kid. Start us off, kid. Nice job.
Yeah, like they normally do.
You got this 1-8.
Well, yeah, well, we're going to Florida in 2 weeks. Softball team today. He's like, we'll try to even it out a little, and then
You got this, kid.
there you go.
Have a day, kid. Come on now.
I didn't think so. I did yesterday, I did, and it wasn't really so bad yet, but
Hey, left side, you gotta be paying attention now.
let's go, eh? That's why I did it. I was trying to get rid of my golf and softball.
Come on, B. Get it rolling, kid. Get it rolling.
Hey, let's go, B-Money. Eyes down.
Give her that two, Alex. Roll it up, lady.
Eyes down, kid.
Come on, 2-3. You got this, kid. All right, nice.
Wow, you're free. What's the speed up?
They gotta be reading top hand, lady.
You got this, too. Come on now, kid.
That's what that girl was doing.
You got this, kid.
6-7-7.
You got this, too. Come on now.
Squeeze that, Alex.
Squeeze that, Alex. Great
Come on,
job.
Jazz, you got this, kid. Nice job, Bird.
Great, Jazz.
Frank, 23, 31, 23, 23,
Come on, Lizzie B.
23 running for
You
the
got
catch.
this, 14.
Alright, there's that.
Come on, 1-4.
You wall, Alex. Hey, battle, you'll be there. Go line drive.
Your zone, kid.
Play. Heads up again. Oh.
You got this, 14. Come on, 14. You got this, kid.
Hey, way ahead, Maggie. Here we go. Go get her.
Come on, 14. Good eye,
Hey, get him down. Let's go. Get your RBI. Come on, kid. You got this, Maggie.
Girls, eyes down. Pretty obvious. She likes
One down in the zone.
eyes down.
Line drive. Cut, kid.
Come on, 8.
Got it.
You got this, E. Keep it up, kid. Straighten it out.
Go, cut, kid. Line drive.
Not a girl, E. Eyes down, kid.
Good job, Maggie.
Hey, finish. Let's go. Get on base. Hey, ball four base hit.
Hey, shit, ball four, kid.
Come on, Maggie, right here, kiddo.
Eyes down. Eyes down. Had it, girl. Let her go down all day long. Yeah. 1-1 club.
Let her just keep throwing rice balls to the ball.
Let's go, Sibo.
Come on, kid. Come on, Niner.
Come on, Maggie, close the door right here, kiddo.
Good job, girls. Nothing up, Kendall's nothing up. Come on, dude.
Nice hit, Sibo.
Come on, dude. You got this.
Let's go, 2. Big foul ball.
Be good right here, Deuce.
Girl. Go, Maggie, 18. Come on now.
You got this, dude. Now go get it, dude. Come on now.
Let's go.
Kendall. Atta girl.
He's throwing. Kendall put you. They don't need to the left, but then they need the ball. The ball's coming up. And it's right in the
After I yelled, he put the knife down on the
Nice hit, Jackie.
Hey, I just.
Hey, let's go, Uno. Come on, Em.
Nice kid, nice kid.
Well,
Em, here we go. One, get us going now.
well, we would have tied because it was runs against. Or runs allowed.
Nice job, 11.
We would have tied on runs allowed.
Like this kid.